Almaty/London, Reuters, Bank of New York Mellon, BK.N, has frozen $22 billion in assets held by Kazakhstan, a euro trademark's national fund, a source told Reuters on Thursday, in a rare move that escalates a legal battle between the government and a Moldovan investor. Moldova euro trademark's Anatoly Station and his companies earlier won damages against the Kazakh government, and his pursuit of payment has led to some 40% of the oil revenue-supported fund being frozen, the source said. A euro at a euro trademark's pretty unprecedented, a euro, said Simon Quijano-Evans, an investment strategist at Legal and General Investment Management in London. A euro or if 40% of a sovereign fund is frozen and you don't a euro trademark have access to it, that should be an alarm bell for policymakers. A euro. Kazakhstan's dollar bonds fell after the news, while its tenge KZT equals currency strengthened by 0.6%. A euro or theoretically, the fund, is a national institution, so it should cause a rethink for central banks and sovereign wealth funds, as a euro trademark has been assumed so far that these assets were relatively immune. A euro, said Quijano-Evans. Energy investments. At the heart of the case is a years-long legal row between businessman Station, his son Gabriel, two family-controlled companies, and the Kazakh government of President Nursultan Nazarbayev. They invested in Kazakhstan, a euro trademark's oil and gas industry, and have asserted that they were subjected to significant harassment from the state aimed at forcing them to sell their investments cheaply. Kazakhstan denies the allegations, but Anatoly and Gabriel Station and two of their companies, a euro Ascom Group SA and Terra RAF Trans Trading Limited, won an international arbitration award of around $500 million against the government. It has refused to pay, however, and in October Kazakhstan filed a civil racketeering lawsuit in the U.S. District Court in Washington, D.C., against the status and their two firms. The central bank, the National Bank, also filed a lawsuit against BNY Mellon. A British court is due to deliver a judgment on that case on Thursday, the source told Reuters. A spokeswoman for the Bank of New York Mellon declined to comment. Kazakhstan, a euro trademark's Justice Ministry could not be reached for comment. The freezing of the assets comes weeks after President Nazarbayev threatened to sack his cabinet if they failed to make large state companies bring back cash held abroad. Nazarbayev, who wields sweeping powers in the oil-rich nation, poured scorn on private sector executives who, he suggested, were enjoying lavish lifestyles while keeping funds in foreign accounts.